Hey guys, it's ld.equine here, back with another video. So guys, we're playing MSP today. So let's play now because I used to play this with my friend and I had VIP, and then I decided not to play it anymore, and I can't remember my login details. Sorry if it looks like I'm crying. I'm literally not. Like guys, you can see I'm not crying. Like it's just my weird makeup. There'll be a vlog out soon, guys, so make sure to stay tuned for that too. Sorry. So we need to make it look more like me. So what does my nose look like? Right, I think it looks more like this one. Yeah, I like that. My mouth is really awkward because I don't smile a lot, and I don't look like my lips. So I think I'm gonna have to go with these. But I can change the color. I have dark on just now, I think. I'll get it pinky. No, it's darker than that. That's kind of like it. Yep, okay. Only know you love her when you let her go. And I've got bluey green. No. Yeah. Okay, let's select the hair. Right now, I've got my hair down. Weird. Whatever. Fun. This is my first time doing webcam. Fun. I usually wear my hair like this a lot, but also I like this. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this and stick it. No, too light. I need to bring it a little bit there. Yeah. I know it doesn't look like my hair, if I just compare it to the screen. So you can see that versus the screen is that's a little bit lighter, but I can't really find any difference. So. Okay, some top. This is cute. It's for horses. Oh, you got that. I'd probably wear something not like that. Nah, I wouldn't wear something like that. I have a top like this. Yeah. I don't know whether to go for the horses too. I don't know. We're definitely gonna get some gameplay done today though, guys. Oh, no, took top off. Then I'm gonna go for the horsey one. Sorry, I've got something on the TV. No! Why? Let's make them white. Oh. There we go. Oh, we got that. Alright, I have this jacket that looks quite nice. Because I've got a blue jacket that looks something like this. You'll see the blue jacket in my vlog, guys. I was wearing grey yesterday, like grey jodhpurs. See if I can get grey. Oh, I can. Yes! And then I was wearing wellies, but they don't have any wellies. This is like the closest to wellies. And my wellies are green. Yeah. So this is my movie star, guys. I'll see you guys in the game. Okay, so we're now in, I think. So here's me, and my, if you guys want to add me, I'll show you guys my username in a minute. Oh yeah, I am Pixie. So my name is ld.equine. Wow, you sure look awesome, thanks. Here's some gifts. What did I get? £200. What did I get? A robot head. What one should I leave till tomorrow? I think for tomorrow. A crown. And you skip tomorrow. Um, yeah, guys. So also, have fun, ld.equine. I will do. I did use to play this game, as I said to you guys, and I did not just do that. I have £400, but I'm going to show you guys a little tip how to get more money, but you have to be on the PC. I'm afraid you can't do it. Oh yeah, I remember this now. You get to they give you 3 rewards. I'm going to show you because you can claim one, just one, if you want. Okay, let's claim 3. Um, but yeah, so I'm not gonna get anything on just now. I'm not gonna put anything on. But if you go to activities at the top, um, so you need to five. You need to find 10 presents that are hidden around the map. So chat room usually has some. Yeah. Level 2. Yes, level 2. Don't ask me why I'm so excited about level 2. And then we can make this like pink. Yeah. Claim. Oh, baby bats, so cute. Okay. Let's go find some more. So movie town. Yeah, movie town is some. Shopping always has some. Can I find one more? Does games have any? Yes. Ooh, that hair though. Right, okay, jeez. No, did I get to change the color? Claim. Claim. Love it when game lags. Okay, just I'm going to refresh. So guys, I fixed the bug. I had to change one of the colors of the items. So I'm going to write a status. Hi, it's ld.equine. Sorry, I said equine instead of equine, but Yeah. I love horses, dogs, I'm Lily. Stick a wee heart there. And then we will do a diamond, then Darcy, then another diamond, and then Snowflake, Snowflake. I love it. Okay, let's save. Ooh, some cool gifts. Show dogs, a bed, a dog, and show dogs poster. So, if you guys don't mind, I'm gonna go do my room, get changed out of this ugly outfit for starters, and I'll come back to you guys, I guess, and we might go some shopping or something. So, as you guys can see, I've changed my outfit, done my room, got some money. Pretty darn cool, guys. So let's go shopping and buy some new stuff. Anyway, guys, that's all I have time for today. I have been shopping, and you'll find out in the next video, or MSP anyway, what I bought.